everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners. Bitcoin Cash update. So spiked up, hit the 3 rising targets from the horizontal channel. So that is complete. Stopping at, this was the defining point on the trend line. This was a properly drawn trend line. So this was a stop at our trend line, which has been in place since the 29th. So that's been in place. You can see sometimes how accurate these trend lines are. Let me move it now because the new defining point is now here. So that's what we're watching for. That's now the new magnet target right now. So the new target is 511.28. Let me also remove some of these lines because they've all been hitting this downside channel. We're not going to end up trading it because it's no longer valid because we broke out to the upside. So still, next areas we'll be watching for after the defining point, 522.95 to 528.73 area. Then the 551.18, then 579.41. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart, you can see 8's coming up to push the price. We're taking off. We still exceeded the major prior high, but everything is still looking good. This red line is the end of the clear path on the daily, so that will provide some minor resistance. Switching over to Bitcoin. Well, all the levels were also hit on here. You can see we rotated back up nicely, pretty much stopping for a bit at the 64.73 level, then pulling back to the rotation zone, which was also a nice pullback on the 1 hour. 8 pushing the price in the 4 hour into the 1 hour rotation zone. You'll especially see that it's on these aggressive breakouts. So watch for that combo in your own trading. So we can pull these levels off. We then hit the next 62.5 level from the triangle breakout and the 12.5 GAN push up, which was right around this 65.44 to 50 area. So that's been all hit. Haven't hit the next highest level yet, which is 66.50. Again, people keying off the 6,600 round number. So we're going to be watching for a nice pullback. We're just going to update these levels now to see how they fall in with a bigger picture push up there. We can even bring them all the way back down here to the initial move up. And if we do that, we now have our major levels. We're still watching for that 66.50, so that's your minor level. Then 67.72, then 69.10 to about 69.30. That's going to be a very strong level right there. On a pullback, let's see, we've had cross 1, 2. This pullback will give us a third, and it's normally 3 to 5, and we've been going between 4 and 5 generally on Bitcoin, so we should see another normal pullback. Areas to watch for about 63.84 to 6,400 for a possible pullback and rotation up. That's going to be the key area we're watching for. So that's about it on the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the daily. Again, it always helps to check in with your larger charts. So we're not that extended yet. We're getting a minor extension from the 8. So at some point, again, as we say, we'll see a pullback here to the 8 at least. Let's see how many cross. We've had cross back here. We've done 1 major rotation, 2, 3. So that's 3 to 5 also on the daily. So this, if we pull back again, will be 4. So this rally is getting a little long, but nothing that we're gonna stop getting somewhat aggressive with yet. Switching over to Ethereum, broke down from the horizontal channel, hit all the key levels, and then continued lower to a prior breakout zone and a key GAN level. So these have all been hit. Let's remove and clean up our levels. We'll have to redraw if this rallies later because now we have the rotation zone against us. There's been no reversal trade for us yet here, and any rally now is we're watching for a turn back down in the rotation zone. So Ethereum back to being weak. Our next target area we're watching for on a push lower for a big reversal pattern is about this 292 to 293 area. Checking in on the daily chart of Ethereum, We could not get the first cross rotation zone. It looks like it's looping back lower. So if we don't hold here, then the next level down below that is 286. So we're in very conservative mode, waiting for reversal patterns to do any adds. And then our first targets will be conservative, meaning they're going to be inside the rotation zone, either on the daily or the 4-hour chart. So what we have for you on this update of Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. Talk to everyone soon. Thanks for watching.